video I have come up with making of this designer kaftan with the joining of this velvet embroidered patchwork. Let's get started. For this project I would be using this cotton Mangalgiri. This Mangalgiri cotton is the handloom fabric which will give the glass look finishing, and the richness is accompanied with the side borders with gold zari. And this is the velvet patchwork which I will be joining in the center front. This Mangalgiri cotton is the right choice for the ethnic wear. And also I will be joining this satin lace which is of black in color for the bottom hemline of this kaftan. And if you follow the fashions, this would be the special garment you should have. Now let's start with marking the measurements. Normally we mark on the wrong side of the fabric. For this kaftan, we will mark on the pretty part of the fabric. This is of 2.25 meters fabric. Fold it into 4 towards the pretty side and place the patch folded into 2. Place it on the folded side and mark the neck measurements. And for this kaftan, you don't have to mark for the shoulder slope. Just mark the armhole, just line sides and hips. As the fabric is folded into 4, you should mark the quarter part of your body measurements. And here it includes this shoulder slope. That means my armhole length is 6.5 inches and I will be handling the shoulder slope of 1 inch. So on the top fold I will be marking 7.5 inches, and on that line I will be marking my chest line. Connect all these points by drawing the lines. Here also I am giving the 2 lines which is of ease line. As this is cotton fabric, after washing the fabric may shrink. So for the safe side I would mark extra 1 inch. Whereas if you mark on the chiffon georgette crepe, you just mark one single line of your measurements. See, now I have done with the markings. Only the chest line, waist and hip line will be there, leaving the armhole and the shoulders. Now I will show you how to join this patch to the neckline. This designer embroidered patches is easily available in the market with very cheap cost. Now fold the patch into 2. Place it on the center fold and mark the desired neck deep. Here I will be marking 5 inches neck deep, and the neck width is 3 inches of this patch. And the shape is already given, which is of U shape. So I will be cutting in U shape with leaving for the seaming allowance of 1 centimeter. Unfolding the patch, it will look like this. Now the fabric should be turned towards the wrong side and place the pretty part of the patch on that and start sewing towards the wrong side of the patch. That means wrong side of pretty fabric. Laying patch, and on the top wrong side of the patch you should sew. I am placing this patch on the center of the front panel and securing with the pins, and I will give the stitch line all towards this neckline. Remember to keep away the back panel when you are sewing. Slowly stitch around the neckline. Remove the pins. See, this is how it looks after joining. Now I'll mark the back neckline with the neck deep of 1 inch. Now I'll snip a little and cut this center part of the neckline. This part I have trimmed. Now I'll be joining the cross strip towards the back panel neckline. And towards the front panel neckline, I would give the notches all around the neckline without crossing the thread line. This will help to give the perfect shape neckline. Now turn the patch towards the pretty part of the front panel. Fold the cross strip and place towards the back neckline. Ensure that the raw edges should meet and start sewing. Joining these two. Place the strip on the pretty side of the back panel and sew it. Turn the folded side of the strip towards the wrong side and stitch adjacent to the strip. Now I'll join the back sides to the center front, folding 1/4 inch towards in. Start joining the patch. Ensure that the underneath fabric is well settled when you are sewing. This kaftan pattern is so simple and easy. Within no time you can create the designer garment. And don't think about the perfect measurements. Just mark and sew. Because this is the falling type garment. I've joined the complete patch and it would look like this in the neckline. And now I'll stitch the sides like this. As previously I marked on the pretty side. Now I'll stitch joining the sides of the front and back panel. Start sewing on the marked lines of the pretty side. And towards the bottom hem, double fold towards the wrong side 1/4 inch and sew it. and then join the satin lace to the bottom hem. And the sides is already having the zari gold work. If you are going for the plain, you can also join other laces towards the sides. I've done with this designer kaftan. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. This is so simple and easy and now trending. Don't forget to like and leave your comments. For more videos, do subscribe to my channel and you can enjoy watching the latest fashions. Thanks for watching.